To replace Junior's main brush clutch, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver included in his box, and a new clutch piece. Before starting any repair on Junior, turn his side power switch off and remove his dustbin. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface and remove his main brush using the flathead screwdriver. Keep all removed screws and parts safely aside, as they may be needed for later reassembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 7 screws on Junior's underside that hold him together. There are 5 screws along the edges of Junior, 1 screw on each side of the front wheel, 1 screw to the right of the main brush motor, and 1 screw on each side of the dustbin. The final 2 screws are in Junior's brush compartment. Junior's cover is no longer secured, so hold the top and bottom together as you carefully flip him back onto his wheels. Grip Junior's cover from the back and lift up to expose the mainboard. Slide the power inlet down and tuck it somewhere safe to avoid compressing its wires. To detach Junior's cover completely, disconnect 4 circuit plugs. 2 at the lower edge of the mainboard near the wheels, and 2 more at the top edge near the bumper. The main brush clutch, where the pin sits, is found beside the power switch. Use one hand to push the clutch up from underneath Junior. Then uninstall its screw and remove its cushion. Keep both aside for later reassembly. Lift Junior up and 2 pieces will fall out: the clutch and the spring on top of it. Place your new parts underneath Junior. Hold the spring on top of the clutch piece while putting them back in their space. Make sure the semicircular gap faces the main brush motor, not the outside of Junior. Push the clutch piece up from underneath Junior, so you see the screw post protruding through his interior. Hold the clutch there as you replace the small cushion and reinstall the screw. When finished, you're ready to close the cover. Reattach all 4 circuit plugs connecting Junior's cover to the main board. There are 2 that connect to the top edge of the main board, and 2 more that connect to the bottom edge. Remember to slide the power inlet back into its space on Junior's cover. Align the cover's edges precisely. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface. Reinstall all 7 screws previously removed from Junior's underside. Install the main brush and dustbin before your next use, and Junior is completely reassembled. Turn the side power switch back on and congratulations! You've just replaced Junior's main brush clutch. Happy cleaning!